You steal my strawberries?
Yep.
Ah, that's what happens when you set up the roadside diner on the $1 million highway. Of course, with a view like that, priceless. It is one rainy day in Silverton, Colorado, but the temperature is just right for rain, 45 degrees, comfortable. So what do? I want you to hit me up in comments and talk trash. Come on, tell me. And go ahead and ask, why did I do that? Because I just aired up my mattress, put all my sleeping gear in it, everything's dry opening that door, no issues. And when I get up tonight to go hit the head, I won't get wet either, so pretty good. Look at that. I'd say beautiful. Now we're gonna get the stove going. We're gonna cook up hamburgers, Oregon Trail style. That's how we do it. Oregon Trail burger. Overcooked for the girls, just right for the men. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah. Excellent.
It's great.
It's great. We'll take it. Great. Good morning and welcome back to Touring and Trails. So, from yesterday, all the rain and storms that we had, to today, a little bit of fog in the sky. I mean, just look around, look how beautiful it is around here. So this makes it all worth it. It's a brisk 42 degrees today, but it's gonna warm up quite nice. And it really doesn't feel like it's 42 degrees. The wind is calm. We just had a great breakfast. Picked up some bacon and egg sandwiches on the Coleman grill and some hot coffee that we got brewed up. So what a great way to start the day in Silverton, Colorado. Today's pretty special because today we're gonna hit the Rim Rocker Trail, which goes from Silverton to Moab, Utah. We're going to spend 2 nights on it. It's completely off the grid. Should be one heck of an adventure. So come along.